Pangga! Welcome to my channel. Inday Bitayar, and this is Joanne here. Kay balo ko nga board ka mo, diha? So, let's do one thing to get busy. So, karon maghimo ta og homemade pizza with salmon and baby spinach toppings. Okay, sige, magsugod na ta. Let's start! In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of warm water. To that, add 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. Also add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This will help activate the yeast. Now mix it well. You can also use a whisk to mix. After mixing, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes and you will see the bubbles forming, which means it's ready. Now add a cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now add 1 more cup of flour and mix well. When the consistency is as such, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix and let the dough rest for 2 to 3 hours. Cover the dough with wrap to avoid moisture loss. After 3 hours, as you can see, the dough has risen and ready to be formed. Gently remove the wrap. In a baking pan, add little olive oil and form the dough base. It need not be even as it adds to a rustic look. So ang dough ready na. Inani ninyo ipag-spread ha. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Okay? For toppings, you need any pizza sauce. Some mushrooms, 1 cup smoked salmon, mozzarella cheese, bunch of baby spinach, salt, 1 teaspoon oregano and pepper. For the sauce, take some oil in a saucepan. Add 3 cloves of garlic. Mix till lightly brown. Now add the mushrooms and stir well. One teaspoon of pepper. Then mix well. Now add the chopped baby spinach and mix. Now you can add the tomato puree. Mix lightly and your topping sauce is ready. You can see the dough is also ready now. Spread the sauce evenly over the base. Spread the smoked salmon also evenly over the base. Finally, add the mozzarella cheese all over. The homemade pizza is ready for the oven now. Set your oven at max and preheat for 10 minutes. Bake the pizza for 25 to 35 minutes. Bake until the toppings are golden brown and the crust is crispy. So after 30 minutes, ato nang habwaon. Ready na itong pizza. Okay. Let's eat! Kaon na ta! Mga pangga!